What's up, RLT Nation? It's AJ Calvin back with another stock market analysis, SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Not SpaceX, owned by Elon Musk, you know, that Tesla guy. Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Weird, funky fundamentals, not everybody excited about it, but a really interesting stock to watch. Let's go. Before we talk about the really fun part of the stock, let's talk about the absolutely horrendous fundamentals. 3 out of 10. Wait, let's go to profitability. This is a real number, 20,211% is worse than the rest of the industry. The industry average profit margin's 15.5%. Woo! Here's the cockpit of the Virgin Galactic. Branson's new CEO even said Branson himself will be up there by March. Now technically, is this space? They will be suborbital. Neil deGrasse Tyson, come on in on this. Don't worry, they have a return on their assets. No, they don't. Minus 37.3%. It doesn't matter. People still want to buy this thing. Why? Because everybody wants to go to space. Everybody loves Star Wars. Everybody loves this stuff. Crazy. Okay, the revenue decreased by 33.9%. But the good news is, it's expected to show strong growth of earnings per share in the next coming years. EPS will grow by 20% yearly. Why? Again, people are excited about space. Okay, their valuation is a little ridiculous right now, but their short float volume is 29%. If this thing squeezes hard, it's gonna fly. Remember, if it has a chart, it has a heart. You can trade something sideways, up, down, if you know the right options. As you can see by the ascending triangle, it's about to break out. With institutional buying volume coming in about a month and a half ago, we're waiting for a pullback and then going to buy. Again, getting out quick, not a long-term hold.
Bang, that's your boy AJ Calvin down here in Nashville, Tennessee, part of Team Nashville. AJ, thanks so much for putting together that information. I hope every one of you finds it useful, valuable, educational, and of course, enriching. That's our mission at Real Life Trading, to enrich lives. In fact, I'm already triggered in on the analysis on Virgin Galactic, and I hope we go higher from here. But either way, I hope to see you all in future classes, webinars, series, or videos. Make sure to smash that and love on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for being here, folks. You absolutely rock.